you guys, this is our second YouTube channel, and what we're gonna be doing is DIY slime. So let's not get started. Wait. So now let's get started. What we've been needing is
some
Dawn
and some mixer, lacto, and
flour. Whatever kind of flour, it has to be flour. So let's get started. So the first thing that we'll be needing is the bowl. Whatever kind of bowl, just use a bowl. And then second, put the Dawn in here. To be honest, you guys, I call this Donnie. I don't know why. But yeah, how much you want of slime? That's how much I want.
I'll put the flour.
I don't want to waste it.
Put the flour.
Because it's soap for dishes or hand soap. And the second thing that we're going to be doing is putting flour.
And put mucho stuff.
Oh yeah, and by the way, you guys, we just need a little bit of water.
I'll get
And
the
she's
water.
gonna put the she's gonna get the water, guys. And I'm gonna put the flour. I'm gonna do like a cup of flour,
a cup of water.
And then we put it in
The water.
the thing. I'm gonna put one, and then I'm gonna mix it. Okay.
I'll mix it.
Okay, you mix it. Let's go. While she's mixing, I'll come back.
Whoa. Whoa, it's mixing it. And now
we do
the whole
another scoop of
water.
Yeah, we do a little bit of water there. That's it.
That's it.
And then we do another cup of flour. We put in here. I will mix it now.
What's mixing it?
No, I will mix it now. And then we keep on putting water there.
I'll mix it. Here, I mix it. It's really turning. Look for you guys.
It's actually really turny slime.
Yeah. But we need more flour.
A lot of water. So we keep on putting flour into it.
Yeah.
Or more downy.
Oh, more downy. This downy.
Yeah, it's liquidy.
I'll mix
You
it.
have to put a lot.
I'll mix it.
No,
Here, I mix it.
I don't care. It's my turn.
But
Dude, don't do that. Janelle, stop. Stop. Look how nice it is. It worked out so good, you guys. And you should try it if your parents let you.
whoa.
Or if you don't have parents,
We
you
have
can do
more water.
Look at it. I'll just keep on mixing it, you guys. So like,
Whoa, so cool.
all getting together.
Whoa, so cool, you guys. This is the first channel.
Okay, second. See?
Channel.
And we watched this on YouTube, so it actually did work out good. So thanks, you guys. Please subscribe down below. Keep a like and comment. Thank you.